y'all. It's been a hell of a day. Hell of a day. Just came back from the emergency care, urgent care. Not having a good day at all. But came back to this place. Blood pressure sky high. And through the roof. And this is what I'm seeing. I can't believe my eyes. So let me show you the work. Oh my God. I'm trying not to. I'm already. My blood pressure's already high, and this is not helping. And I feel like this was intentional. A bad job that was intentionally done. Because I've raised a lot of sand, but I don't know if you can see this job, but it is. You can't look at the paint drip. Like, who does this? It's like they painted it blue, and then they repaint, and then they caused more chips. There was already, these chips weren't even there. Like, what? Now, some of that was on there before, some of it. But so bad, that's why I chipped in the first place. And then you come back and do a same bad job. Look at the drip marks. Like, and then you scratch it in other places. Look, you can see it's cheap. Look how cheap it is. You can see straight through it. That's why this fucking thing keeps scratching. It's ridiculous. It's like the worst paint job I've ever seen in my life. No joke. Like, a 3-year-old could have did a better job. Like, look at it. It's like not even smooth. It's just like, and the most insulting part of this, why do they have to paint the drain? Why is that necessary? See, that's where the break starts. Because what happens is, because you're painting the fucking drain, it cracks and then it starts going up. But you can tell it's only one, well, I can't say for a fact there's only one coat. But it feels like only one coat. I don't know. Was it even primed? I don't know. This is ridiculous. Oh, they didn't pay the person for this. This is the worst job I've ever seen. This is horrible. She wanted to charge me $300 for this. You can tell it's not even a good job to be. Coming to you today to show you my tub, and this is the source of my frustration. Okay, so this is me sweeping up this because it just kept going down the drain, and it kept, I think it was causing a biological hazard because it just kept chipping every time I would try to contend with it, but it just kept chipping. if this is supposed to be a good representation of good work at the Regal Vista, they missed the mark. Look at the paint streaks. Like look at the paint streaks. You see it? You see that? This is not a good job. Like, they even scratched it in places. It wasn't even scratched. Those 2 scratches weren't there. And you paint the drain all over again. That's what the paint, you can tell is cheap. You can feel that it's cheap. And that's what happens. You paint the drain, and the drain cracks start breaking from water, and then it starts creeping up. Can't even tell they did to the paint. I don't know. Maybe they did. But whatever they put underneath, you see straight through it. Look at that. Like, this is a scratch that was left by whoever did this job. Because you can see it goes straight down. It's like, when you go straight down, you see this. It's like, what is this? So they make more scratches. But I'm trying to get rid of the ones I had. This was out here. It's out here.